How to track a delivery order from Starbucks app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your delivery order right inside the Starbucks app. Whether you are waiting for the iced latte or breakfast sandwich, let's make sure you know where it is. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Starbucks app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can simply tap on the orders which can be seen in the bottom of the screen. And if you don't see it, you can just tap on the menu icon in the top left corner and then choose order history. And after that, you will see a list of your recent orders, so you can tap on the delivery order that you want to track. And if your delivery was placed through Starbucks delivery, then you will see a real-time tracking including the driver's location, estimated arrival time, and delivery status update. And to get a real-time delivery alerts, you can simply go to the settings in the app and make sure that the auto updates are turned on under the notification. And that's it. That's how you can track the delivery order from the Starbucks app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.